Now you can enter text into a cell by selecting the cell and typing the text. So I can type in, we're doing income here, so I could say salary. Now, if I want to move to the next cell down, I can just press enter and it will move me directly down. Now, pressing enter will move it down to the cell below if I've been on one cell and I'm just going straight down. If I type over here, let's say I were to say the date, I'm going to put 2/3/2020, and then I tab over to the word salary, and now I press enter. Excel is going to guess the next cell that I want to type in. It's not always right because there is a chance that I wanted to type into the cell below this one. In that case, I can always just use my up and down arrows on my keyboard to move it, or I can use my mouse to click in the exact cell that I want to type in. Additionally, I can use my name box and type the name of the cell that I want to be typing in. Every cell in Excel can also hold numbers. So you saw that I typed in a date, but I can also type in dollars. I can use decimal points, commas, and currency symbols. Each cell can hold up to 32,767 digits. And if you want to enter a numeric value into a cell, you can do it by selecting the cell that you want to type into and type the digits and what we call helper characters, such as a $sign. So I could type in $500.00. Now when I press enter, you'll notice that it formats it automatically. We can change the format by clicking on the cell, go to format, and come down to format cells. You can see that it's set to currency. It's using a $sign. You have a choice if you wanted to use a different type of currency. And you are telling it how many decimal places. So in this case, I have $500.00, so it's using 2 decimal places. If I were to change that to 0 decimal places, and I click OK, you'll see it's changed it to just 500 even. To fix it, I can either just use my undo button, just like we had in Microsoft Word, or I can go back to Format, Format Cells, and change my decimal places.
Thanks for watching.